Hello and welcome to EVO for 2024, call for participation. And you're all invited to these amazing sessions that will be available from January 15 to February 18, 2024. So let's take a look at what's available here by scrolling down. Notice the kickoff for EVO 2024 is on Saturday, January 13, 2024. All you need to do is click here and you'll be taken to the registration form for Zoom. These are the sessions that are available. We highly recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get more information and recordings. Here you've got about EVO Communities Kickoff meeting, the sessions for EVO 2024, and you're invited to share this call for participation with your colleagues and in your social networks. Notice there are 15 listed: creating AI-generated activities for ELT, creating basic H5Ps for your teaching context collaboratively, delivering best practices in distance and blended courses, grammar for TESOL, immersive instructional design, language teacher identity agency in teaching, learning engagement through virtual apps, mentoring teacher research, mindfulness awareness practice, Moodle for Teachers, develop a Moodle course, teacher research for professional development, teaching EFL to young learners, technology for spoken English, T4SE, tools for student collaboration, video-based mobile learning. So these are the sessions. All you need to do is click on them and you'll be taken for more information on a wiki page. These are the EVO 2024 coordination team members. And you can join our social network on Facebook, Twitter, or X now, and of course, as I mentioned before, our YouTube channel. If you click on any of these, you'll be taken to the page. So let's start with creating AI-generated activities in ELT. And here is the Electronic Village Online call for participation with the same information, but you'll get everything here. Notice what you can do if you've got the right here. If you want to get rid of it, you simply go into this arrow pointing right, click on it, and then you can get all the information on the page. If you click on the sessions, as I said, you'll be taken to the page. So let me click on creating activities for ELT, and there they are. Next, you're going to click on each of these links. Notice for creating AI-generated activities, that's the top one. And then creating basic H5Ps for your teaching context collaboratively. Notice all these links are available for you to click on and see the actual session. Okay, let's try. Let's go back up. You can also view the moderators on the right here. So the click is here, and then session moderators on the right column here. And then in the middle, you'll get an abstract or a description of the sessions. So again, let's click on this one and you'll be taken to this page. Once again, if you want to view the whole page and not the right here, you can go to this arrow pointing right, click on it, and then you'll get all the information in the center. Notice here you've got the abstract, target audience, session objectives, the syllabus and important notes, and then the registration week from the 7th to the 14th, and then the weeks. These are 5-week sessions. They're completely free and available to everyone from January 15th to the 21st. And then you get the objectives, examples of week 1 reading, the focus of each week, and so on. So you'll be able to get all of this when you log in to each of the sessions. And then if you scroll down, and this is really, really important, you'll get to join the session. And notice here to register, you go to the URL, or you need to enroll. This is a direct one. So first, if you don't have an account, a teacher's account or a student account on Canvas, you'll need to get one, and then you can register. Or if you go straight into the link here, the URL of the course, you'll be asked to register for a Canvas account. Canvas accounts are all free for students as well as for teachers. And that's it. Looking forward to seeing you in one or two of our sessions this year. And remember to mark the date for the kickoff on Saturday, January 13, 2024. And if I click on it, I'll be taken to the registration page on Zoom. All you need to do is add your first name, last name, email, select the country or region where you live, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to do that, and then click on register. If you want to know the exact time, notice I'm in America, Toronto. You just click on the over here, and then you'll be taken to, and you can change, notice your country, choose your country wherever you happen to be, and then that'll change the exact time. So if I go into, for example, Dublin, or let's take London. Okay, if I go into London, click on OK, notice the time has now changed to 2 p.m. And if I go back here to my time, Eastern time, click on OK, I'll get the 9 a.m. So that's how you know the exact time. Feel free to share this on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or by email. And let's go back to this s'more link that you can share with your friends and colleagues.